I created an highly interactive dashboard by myself, or let me say that's a mistake. I created an highly interactive dashboard using an AI, and this is the result of the prompt I sent to that particular AI. See how beautifully decorated this dashboard is. So it's an health related data set which I converted to this magnificent outlook. As you can see, it's highly interactive. If I click on I, the numbers changes automatically. If I click from male to female, it changes automatically. If I change to all levels, I can reduce this age by reducing this bar. I can increase it. As you can see, as I'm moving these things, all these values begin to change. So this is a very beautiful dashboard. I can even turn off the dark mode, and now I'm in the light mode. This thing was created not by my Excel skills, but by using a very powerful AI called the Cloud AI. And I'm going to show you how to use this particular AI to generate something like this or something very close to this. So recently I've talked about the use of Gemini to generate dashboard, the use of ChatGPT, Manus AI, and some other host of AI that you can use to generate interactive dashboard using your Excel dataset. But today I'm using Cloud to generate a beautiful dashboard like this. So this is the dark mode, and this is the dataset in I converted to that beautiful dashboard, this particular dataset here. So this is the dataset, so which I uploaded to the Cloud AI to convert to the dashboard. So you just go to Google, type Cloud AI CLAUD.ai, and after you register, it will bring you to this particular page. So I'm going to feed this particular AI with the data set I'm working on. So which is this, I can drag it into Cloud AI. So then the prompt I created a prompt using my another powerful AI called DeepSeek. So this is the prompt I fed my Cloud AI with. So I just copy it, go to my Cloud AI, drop it there. So as you can see, this is a very powerful prompt. You are an expert data analyst and front-end dashboard designer, and we upload an Excel file, and this is the Excel file. Your task is to, I have all these tasks listed here. So and my job now is just to click send and then fold my hand and watch as the magic unfolds right before my eyes. So just click send. Okay. So now, so the next thing for us is to just sit down and fold our arms, and then let's see the magic this Cloud AI is going to perform right before our eyes. So here it says want to be notified when Cloud responds. So Cloud is trying to get familiar with the data set I uploaded onto it. So that's why it's saying so that's why it's doing all this preliminary work. So when it's done, it's going to tell you now I'm familiar with the data set, building the dashboard. So it says wants to be notified when when Cloud responds. So if you want to be notified, maybe you want to do something else, you can click on notify. So when Cloud is done creating the dashboard, then you'll be can you see now I have a thorough understanding of the data. Let me build the dashboard. So Cloud is building the dashboard, and it may take a while before the dashboard finally shows up. So we'll come back to this. And now, as you can see here, this is my data set. Now I'm having the same data, I'm having the same outlook just because I fed the cloud with the same data set and the same command prompt as before. So as you can see, I'm having this very beautiful dark dashboard and highly interactive. So, and the cloud named it Health Pulse Analytics. So disease prediction data set like 1,000 patients, 10 conditions, and so on and so forth. So this is very beautiful to build. Now, if you want a bigger screen, like you want to show this data set on a very big screen, you just come here to this downward arrow beside copy, click on it, then click download as HTML. You click download as HTML. So then you come here, you click here, then you click here. So it will open a bar for you. So this is the data set here. So very beautiful to behold. You can export CSV file there. Then you can click this dark mode, change it to light mode, as you can see. So these are my data sets. So just to show you that this data is very interactive, I can change from all genders to male. So we have 47 male in total. I can change to female. So female heart disease rate is 34%. So for male heart disease rate is 25.5% according to this data set. So we have the average BMI, and this bar chart, age distribution, and all the rest of them. So let's change back to the dark mode. I love the dark mode more than the light mode. So this is the scatter plot. This is the heat map, and all the rest of them, patient record. So this is very beautiful to behold. So instead of spending endless hours in front of your Excel or Power BI to build something like this, you can actually build something like this within minutes, and you won't believe the outcome. So thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned to this particular channel. So next time, I'm going to show you a even more powerful AI that you can use to produce a very powerful dashboard like this.